You're watching a Playmo AF unboxing video. Can I go now?
Hello everyone and welcome to another Playmo AF unbagging video. We are in Richmond, Virginia today. We just went to our local Playmobil store and picked up, would you have guessed it? Playmobil. Today we're going to be unbagging 4 Series 21 blind bags. Here's one of them right now. And we are doing this in a car. I'm pretty excited about getting these open for you. By the way, in case you haven't noticed, that was my beautiful wife doing our introduction today. And today is actually her birthday. So if you have a moment, wish her a happy birthday. I wanted to show you, in my other videos where I'm unbagging stuff, it can be a bit difficult. So this is a new addition to the packaging. They show you that you can easily open the bags from the bottom. I think we're going to do that today. See how easy it is. Oh, wait a minute. Bottom. Sorry. Wait a minute. Am I doing it wrong? That's great. Okay, so you take one flap here, one flap here. If you can get the flap. There we. Oh, yeah, it is easier. Okay. All right, here we go. Horn. Oh no. Hey, we got a new one. One we don't have yet. It's the Ninja. Got a really cool purple outfit here. Oh no, I'll get the arm in just a second. What is this? Oh, all right. Body, breastplate, head, hair. What is this? Oh, that's her face cover. Cool. Oh no! Got it. So what I'm doing right now while we're filming that is that I'm just moving the head piece out a little bit more, spreading it apart just so we can get it. There we go. And then finally, oh gosh, bloopers central. We got that on there. And then finally we've got our sword. Very, very cool. Okay everyone, we are back at the house. I think it was better for us to film here rather than in the car, just because we still had a ways to travel and there was no point in even trying at the risk of losing pieces. Alright, this is number 2. So everything is going to be a surprise to me as it is you. Oh, I got the girl in the avocado pajamas. Cool. Okay, so she has a bag and it has this sticker. I'm a little confused as to what I'm looking at. It's a pepper. Interesting. Okay. Oops. Oh, she's got 2 faces. Check that out. She's got an awake face and a sleeping face. Let's see. Alright, so here's her regular face. I did not expect that. I'm surprised it didn't give her the white eyes with the black pupils. And then here is her sleepy face with the mask. But let's go ahead and put this one onto the body. And her hair. So here's that. Right now I'm going to put her pink pillow together. I like her. She's a lot of fun. Good. Alright, so that's 2 for 4. Set her aside and then we'll move on to the next one. I'm actually very nervous about opening this one. I honestly think this is going to be a duplicate. So I'm going to I'm gonna set her aside. This one I have a hunch I know what it is. I personally think it's the angel. And I was correct. And we got, wow, we got a lot of pieces here. Wow. That is a cool figure.
That is really cool.
Alright. Knowing the truth, guys. I'm pretty certain this is a duplicate of something. And I think it's something we got today. The hair feels like it has a bun, and there's only a select few that have that hair. If it's the girl with pajamas, again, I'm okay with it. But honestly, I'm counting. Well, yeah, I knew it. I remember feeling this one at the store we were at, and I was cruelly trying to avoid this one at all costs. But at the same time, I'm kind of happy about this because I accidentally threw the bag away and it had this piece that goes on the girl's baton. So I'm going to go ahead and put her together anyway. Okay, there we go. So yeah, it's much more interesting to look at with this here. Very cool. Okay, so here's our 4 new characters. I do like the fact that they're doing more with African American and Asian figures. I was kind of stoked to see what is it, 3 of them in this collection here this time around. And then we have the girls here. Really cool color choice. I think this one's my favorite out of all of them. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Series 21, girls. And we're still on the hunt for the French girl. And hopefully we'll find her sooner than later. Until then, we will see you again very soon with another unbagging or unboxing video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please leave a comment. Follow us on Instagram. And we will see you next time right here on Playmo AF. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.